Hey, what is good on YouTube? Welcome back to Team Gear Y. So today we finally got our hands on the OnePlus Watch 3 43mm version. Now big shout out to OnePlus for sending this over. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing and overview of the watch's features in case you're curious about what you're getting if you ever decide to purchase the OnePlus Watch 3. And with that said, let's get started. Right, so unboxing the OnePlus Watch 3 43mm version, you do get the watch itself, as well as your charger and some paperwork, including your instructions and manuals. Now we do have the silver steel version of the watch here, which is kind of a lighter shade of gray compared to the black steel version of the watch. And it does come with a glossy stainless steel finish around the chassis, as well as a rubber strap. Now OnePlus says that the watch does come with IP68 dust and water protection, as well as 580M water resistance, so it should be safe for general use in the pool, although I really wouldn't recommend diving with this. On the side, you do get an action button in addition to a rotating crown, and of course, this does come with an overall smaller look compared to the regular OnePlus Watch 3. Now going over to the display, it does come with a 2.5D cover glass and it measures 1.32 inches, and it is an AMOLED panel, so it does have good looking colors and contrast and should be visible enough for outdoor viewing. Now of course, this device runs on Google Wear OS, so unlike some watches out there which have their own custom software interface, you get a more versatile user experience with Wear OS, along with a ton of functionality, so you can install apps on the device, customize your watch faces, answer calls and text messages, and it's basically Android for your wrist. Now powering the watch is a Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset, and you get 2GB of RAM as well as 32GB of built-in storage for all your apps and data. And yeah, with Wear OS devices in general, you get a more fluid user interface, so swiping between the different tiles, the menus, and the settings is pretty much effortless, although it should be noted that this will only work with Android devices, and you will need the OnePlus Health app on your device in order to sync the watch with your smartphone. And yeah, it should work even with devices that aren't made by OnePlus, as long as they do run Android. Now of course, you get a ton of different fitness tracking features here, including support for your heart rate monitoring, your sleep tracking, step counts, your calories burned, and more than 100 different workout modes. So I mostly use my smartwatches for notification checking with my smartphones, heart rate tracking, step counts. So if you're looking to get a smartwatch for your phone, which also doubles as a fitness tracker with a more classy look, then of course the OnePlus Watch 3 does fit into that criteria pretty nicely. Now as for the battery, it does come with a 354 mAh capacity cell inside, and OnePlus says that it can generally last for up to 60 hours with standard use in smart mode, 36 hours for heavier use, although you can extend this to up to 7 days in power saver mode. Battery life has always been one of the main highlights of the OnePlus Watch series, especially when you compare them to other Wear OS devices that often have trouble lasting for more than a couple of days. Now other features that come with the device include Bluetooth 5.2 support, NFC and Wi-Fi connectivity, your usual array of sensors, which include a gyroscope, accelerometer, barometer, your heart rate sensor to name some, and of course a built-in microphone and speaker to handle phone calls. So yeah, that is the OnePlus Watch 3 43mm version. Now it usually goes for £269 here in the UK, but now you can find it for less with occasional price drops from OnePlus. So yeah, let me know what you think about this device. Are you getting the smaller OnePlus Watch 3? Sound off in the comments below. Thanks all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.